welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Asem Vida. Many of you will be asking how to download quality images from online, like from iStock, from Adobe Stock, from Pinterest, from all those sites that have watermarks. They will allow me getting images that have watermarks, and they have beautiful pictures that you need to work with, but because of the watermark, you know how to remove the watermark. So here I'm going to teach you how you're going to do it. A one simple site that can do almost everything that you need. So let's jump right into it. Okay, it's iStock photo, so I'm going to be using iStock photo for it. So let's go to it. So first I'm going to search because I have what I want. So I'm going to search for question and answer. So about that. Yeah, so answer. So this is what will pop up. So I'm going to look for a background I want to use, an image I want to use. Probably, let me see this. So I'm clicking on it. Now this is where it all starts from. You see the particular one here. So I'm going to copy this link. Press copy. Then the name of the site that you need to be able to do this thing is called downloader.la. Downloader.la. So I'm going to scroll down. When you scroll down, you will find out that there are all the sites too. Other watermark sites that have beautiful pictures like Stock Panel, Adobe Stock, Alamy, Getty Images, iStock Photo, Picfair. If you go all the way, let me check number 4. You see Facebook, Storyblogs, APK Downloader, Photovia, and Deposit. Then number 5, I think Pinterest is among here. Pinterest here. All these ones are coming soon. So they don't have much. They are still uploading them. Able to SoundCloud, Reddit. So moving to number 1, page 1, we have our iStock. So I'll just press download now and close. So here we are on it. So this particular link, URL, Universal Resource Locator, I'll just click on it and paste. Then go download. Then download now. Then you see the image below, and this image I'm looking for it. So either I click on it and it give me click to another screen where I can see it very well, and then right click and save images as download, or from here I just right click and save images as, and it will give me that I can change the name I want and all this. So with that last step, you can download any images you want from watermark that have watermark, and trust me, it's beautiful. It's going to give you what you want. So please like, subscribe, comment, and share with your friends that will need to see this, because it's very important that they know this too, just like you do. So thank you.